Our next destination is Calley's castle. Welcome to the castle. It's time to go there. We've eaten and full of energy. You can see there's no difference because driver doesn't speak at all. Still he's so calm, and don't expect anything from this driver. He doesn't speak at all. He doesn't reply at all. Even if you ask him, he doesn't reply. So yeah, I'm in a very good company. I can talk to myself, talk to him as well. Anyway, our third friend is coming. He's flying to Penang. We're gonna meet him up from Penang Island, and maybe we're gonna certainly spend a couple of days there because it's a very nice place to be. Honestly saying, I've been there only twice, and this is my third time. It's really, you can have a good leisure time there. So stay tuned, don't change the channel. Yes, cheers.